What's that?
You want more?
She wants more?
Yeah.
Okay. Here.
Not Ava.
Do you want these guys? Oops. Good girl, Precious.
She stepped it over.
She did?
Yeah. And push this next one.
No. She's happy. Precious is trying to get in. We'll say, no, no, Precious.
No.
No, no. Come here. Here, we'll put this slide over. Here, Precious. Good girl. Here. You can give her one last one. Here, Precious, let me get that guy off you. Good girl. Get her a couple more. And tell her all done, Precious.
All done.
Good girl.
She's trying to get Ava.
Yeah, she is. She's trying to get Ava.
Mom. That's hay. Mom.
Yes,
That's
that's okay.
what's in there.
Well, we're all done for now. What do we tell Precious? All done. We'll give her more tomorrow on Thursday, okay? Ava Brown, what are you doing? Is this the last one?
She's all done.
She's all done. Can you look at Mommy for a minute and smile? Okay, now we're all done.